So guys, I'm back from the ride and मैंने ये ride almost after like 4 months की है. So it was very tiring for me. But I know that फिर से practice करेंगे तो like it will be easy and fun. But right now what I need to do is I'll get freshen up एंड मुझे वो पेंटिंग भी कंप्लीट करनी है जो मैंने आपको लाइक इसके पहले दिखाया था कि कल शाम को मैंने स्केच की हुई है.
तो गाइस हियर इज़ द स्केच आई हैव डन येस्टरडे इवनिंग एंड थोड़ा बहुत मैंने ऊपर का जो फेस है अभी किया है. बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट विद द पेंटिंग आई नीड फ्यू न्यूज़पेपर कटआउट्स. And for that I have taken a newspaper like Economic Times, and here I will cut few of the recent current topics that we are going through which India is facing these days. जैसे कि कोरोना वायरस की केसेस के बारे में हो गया या फिर some unemployment news, some minimum wages act के news. I'll cut them up and then I'll continue with the next process. So in the next process I'll just paste these cutouts to my painting area and मैं ये जेसो से पेस्ट करने वाली हूँ. आप अगर फेविकॉल से भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं बट आई थिंक जेसो विल वर्क रियली वेल एंड अलग से आपको लाइक पता भी नहीं चलेगा दैट दीज आर न्यूज़पेपर कटआउट्स. इट विल ब्लेंड इनटू माय पेंटिंग. And after applying gesso, what I'm doing is I'm rubbing the upper surface with a sponge ताकि ज़्यादा white ना रहे and इसके सूखने के बाद it will become transparent. So don't worry about that. Your newspaper cutouts will be clear in your painting. So when I'm done with newspaper cutouts, I'll just apply gesso all over my painting area. बिकॉज़ मैं ये एक्रिलिक पेंटिंग्स करने वाली हूँ एंड थोड़ा सा मिक्स मीडिया टाइप का हो रहा है. सो आई नीड टू सिक्योर माई पेंटिंग एरिया बिकॉज इट इज़ अ पेपर नॉट अ कैनवस एंड इट मे गेट टीयर ऑफ. सो टू सेव द एरिया फ्रॉम टीयरिंग ऑफ आई एम अप्लाइंग जेसो एंड उसके बाद आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द पेंटिंग एंड यू कैन सी दैट पहले I am marking out all these darker areas first and इससे आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से contrast में काम करने के लिए easy होगा. Starting में हमेशा ही dark areas से start करें and slowly you blend into those lighter tones. And sketch के बारे में ज़रा बोल दूँ. Actually मुझे ये painting का idea एक बंगाली song है उठोगो भारत लोकी. I'll link that song in the description box below and I have made this painting based on that song only. So my idea behind this painting is that India is going through a lot of crises these days. For the past 2 years we are facing a lot of pandemic situations and unemployment and death cases. So the painting implies that even if we are having a bad situation, we can only do is hope for a brighter future where it will be more colorful days and let the awakening happen within us. And this is the thought behind the painting, and for that I wanted a reference image. I had an imagination that my reference will be of a lady lying on a pile of something like on a pile of books or skeletons, and I found this lovely image by Autumn Sky on Pinterest, and from that I have taken this idea of a lady lying on the pile of books, but I have made a little bit of other additions in the painting like the paper cutouts and the mask somewhere lying, some domination letters are lying here and there and जो कि अभी इंडिया डील कर रही है. एंड मैं आपको ये भी बता दूँ दैट दिस इज़ एक्चुअली a draft artwork of mine. I am planning for a bigger painting, a subjective one. So this will be like a draft artwork. I am planning to do this one on a larger canvas. So ये painting जो भी बना है, this is an experimental one. I don't even know how the end result will be, but still I am working on that. So now let's talk about the second part of the painting, जो कि ये ऊपरी वाली हिस्सा है. And I am not sure that how this part will end up to, but what my idea was, we wanted the awakening happen for Bharat Mata. What India is going through right now, it needs to change, and for that we are making a prayer to Bharat Mata that please let the awakening happen. Please open your eyes and look at the situation right now. We can have a better future. We can have a colorful future. Let the tricolor be dispersed in the air once again. And so here it is. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, इट हैज़ वर्कड क्वाइट वेल. ये पेंटिंग एक्चुअली एक ड्राफ्ट वर्क पेंटिंग है. आई एम प्लानिंग टू like do this on a larger canvas, and this is only a rough work because this is a subjective painting and I want to do it on a larger area. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and how I spent the 75th Independence Day of India. Do let me know in the comment section below whatever you feel about this painting. And जैसे कि मैंने mention किया है, I want to create this painting on a larger canvas. So I do need your suggestions that what more should I add in the painting which will go really well with the thinking. And please subscribe to this channel guys, and click the bell icon to stay notified about my painting videos. And अगर आप Instagram पे है, do follow me on Instagram because I share a lot of reels over there every day, and few of my work in progresses and behind the scenes, and few clips from my art studios. So guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and Jai Hind.